Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a deep dive into the foundational elements of transformative landscape design. Whether you are dealing with a sprawling backyard or looking to boost the curb appeal of your front entrance, creating dedicated, stylized garden beds is the key to elevating your outdoor space. Imagine a pristine, manicured green lawn. While beautiful, a flat expanse of grass lacks visual interest. By carving out an organic island-style garden bed or a terraced rockery, you introduced a focal point that draws the eye. These spaces break up the monotony, allowing you to curate miniature landscapes that tell a story through texture, color, and structure. It is about crafting a harmonious balance between the wildness of nature and the intentional lines of architectural design. The true anchor of any dynamic landscape design is hardscaping, and nothing provides permanence quite like natural stone. Incorporating large, heavily textured boulders into your garden establishes immediate visual weight. A towering, porous beige rock or a smooth gray boulder with distinct banding acts as a natural sculpture, providing a resting place for the eye. Beyond boulders, the ground cover you choose sets the mood for the entire space. Swapping out traditional wood mulch for bright white decorative gravel, earthy tan river rocks, or crushed slate completely transforms the aesthetic. Furthermore, introducing elements like a dry creek bed, using a cascade of light-colored river rocks to mimic a dried stream bed, adds a sense of organic movement and flow to your yard. Pair these with a winding pathway of irregular flagstones, and you invite visitors to slow down and experience the garden one step at a time. While stone provides the skeleton of your garden, the softscape, your plants and greenery, brings it to life. The modern approach to landscaping heavily favors low-maintenance, drought-tolerant palettes that look stunning year-round without requiring endless hours of upkeep. Evergreens are your best friends here. Cone-shaped arbor vitae or towering junipers offer crucial vertical height, while sprawling creeping junipers and spherical shrubs fill out the lower canopy. Against the stark contrast of white gravel or dark stone, foliage truly pops. Picture a massive, sprawling mound of delicate white flowers, or the vivid pop of bright pink creeping phlox spilling over a terraced rock wall. By mixing soft gray-green foliage with deep burgundy ground covers and striking chartreuse shrubs, you create a rich, multi-layered tapestry of color. To make your landscape look professionally designed, you must pay attention to borders and elevation. A garden bed needs a clean, defining edge. Whether you use a thin, modern black metal lawn edging, short cylindrical wooden logs, or smooth concrete retaining walls, a crisp boundary separates your curated space from the surrounding lawn, making the design feel intentional and neat. Elevation adds the final dimension. A completely flat garden can easily get lost. By using edging materials to create raised, terraced sections, you give your plants a stage to perform on. Finally, illuminate your hard work. Adding a classic black metal lamppost, sleek pathway lighting, or subtle tree uplighting ensures that the serene, park-like atmosphere of your garden shines beautifully from the brightest sunny day well into the evening dusk. Thank you for watching, and happy landscaping.